Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain how you can import Trello cards from a CSV file. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Trello board and click on Power Ups at the top. Then, select Add Power Ups and search for Trello Import by Blue Cat. Once you find it, click Add. This tool lets you import CSV files directly into Trello. After it's added, you'll see an option to Choose File. Click that and upload your CSV file from your computer. Next, Trello will ask you to match your spreadsheet columns to Trello fields like title, description, due date, etc. Use the drop-downs to map them correctly. For any column you don't need, set it to No Field. Once everything looks good, click Check and Import. Trello will start creating cards based on your file. After a moment, your cards will appear on the board. Review them, make any edits, and that's it.